Hi kids! Today we will learn about 50 amazing birds from all around the world. Let's begin! Eagle. Big bird of prey with sharp eyes. It can spot food from very far away. Owl. Night bird with big eyes. It can turn its head almost all around. Parrot. Colorful bird that copies voices. Parrots love to eat fruits and seeds. Peacock. Famous for its bright tail. The male shows feathers to impress. Sparrow. Small brown bird. It often lives near people. Pigeon can fly long distances. In the past, it carried messages. Crow. Very smart black bird. It can use tools to get food. Duck. Water bird with webbed feet. Ducks quack loudly when excited. Goose. Bigger than ducks. They fly in a V shape in the sky. Swan. White bird with a long neck. Swans stay with one partner for life. Penguin. Can't fly but swims fast. Penguins live in groups called colonies. Flamingo. Pink bird with long legs. They stand on one leg to rest. Stork. Tall bird with a long beak. Storks eat fish and frogs. Pelican has a big beak pouch. It can hold many fish at once. Seagull lives near the sea. Seagulls can also live in cities. Woodpecker knocks on trees with its beak. It makes holes to find insects. Kingfisher. Small, colorful bird. It dives quickly into water to catch fish. Hummingbird. Tiny bird with fast wings. It drinks nectar from flowers. Canary. Small yellow bird. It is often kept as a pet. Nightingale. Famous for its beautiful song. It sings mostly at night. Robin. Small bird with a red chest. Robins are very friendly in gardens. Blue jay. Bright blue bird. It can make many different sounds. Cardinal. A red bird. Only the male is bright red. Magpie. Likes shiny things. It can remember where it hides food. Falcon. Very fast bird. Some falcons dive faster than cars. Vulture. Eats dead animals. It helps keep nature clean. Hawk. Strong hunting bird. Hawks build nests high in trees. Turkey. Big farm bird. It makes a sound called gobble. Hen. Farm bird that lays eggs. Hens live in groups called flocks. Rooster. Male chicken. It crows loudly every morning. Quail. Small bird that hides in grass. Quails run quickly to escape danger. Partridge. Brown ground bird. It usually stays close to the ground. Dove. White bird and symbol of peace. Doves are very gentle. Cuckoo. Famous for its cuckoo sound. Some lay eggs in other birds' nests. Heron. Tall bird with long legs. It waits quietly to catch fish. Crane. Big bird with a long neck. Cranes dance during courtship. Albatross. Seabird with huge wings. It can fly for days without landing. Toucan. Has a large, colorful beak. Toucans live in tropical forests. Macaw. Big parrot with bright feathers.
Macaws can live a very long time. Cockatoo. Parrot with a feather crest. It makes loud screeches. Puffin. Small seabird with a colourful beak. It is also called the sea parrot. Kiwi. Flightless bird from New Zealand. It is active at night. Emu. Big bird from Australia. It runs very fast across grasslands. Ostrich. The largest bird in the world. It lays the biggest eggs. Cassowary. A strong, dangerous bird. It has a helmet-like crest on its head. Hornbill. Has a curved beak. Some hornbills nest inside tree holes. Goldfinch. Small bird with yellow feathers. It sings a sweet song.
Starling can copy sounds. Starlings fly together in huge flocks.
Swallow. Small, fast bird. It flies long distances when it migrates. Wow! We learned about 50 birds today. Some are tiny, some are giant, some sing beautifully, and some can't even fly. Which bird do you like the most? Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.